Alright, don't throw it out, refresh it. This is some really old potting soil. You can see it's pretty dry, depleted. This really doesn't have much going on for it. But there's no reason to actually throw it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this potting soil in with this raised beds soil that I reviewed. Pacific Northwest owned organic soil and mulch, raised bed soil. Kind of a fluffy wood-based product. And another review I did was Cedar Grove compost. Ugh. Which is kind of a sticky product, but it's so rich. We're gonna put that all, we're gonna mix all this together and refresh this potting soil because there's no reason to throw it out. Ugh. The first thing we're gonna do is just break up this old potting soil mix. Okay, so I got my compost. I've got my, you could use peat moss instead, or coco coir or whatever. This is a wood-based product. It actually has some NPK in it, like I said in my review. And I'm just gonna kind of break this stuff up. We'll get it all mixed together. Basically, you just keep adding if you add some compost to it year after year, and you know, if it's like this where it's kind of sandy and stuff like that, you can always, you know, like I did here, I added some something to loosen it up. Whatever your preference is, this is just what I have, and it should work just fine. You want to mix all these things together thoroughly. You don't want a spot that's really, really good, spots that aren't so good. Oh, that's all you got to do. Just work in some fresh stuff, keep your soil. Get something out of the video, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.